Hello everyone, how's everyone? Coming live in the woods. Another day and day 2 of the 10-minute challenge. And not much happened. Actually, thank you for your comments and even more views I got all on social media. I really appreciate it. Nice comments. And going strong today again. I just wanted to come out and just be around nature because I've been feeling, I don't know, it's not really pleasant the way I'm feeling, and yeah, I don't even know why. I'm guessing it might be the full moon for yesterday. It can affect me like from before 5 days and even after passing after a few days. So, but there's always something, because every 2 weeks, either full moon or new moon, and if it affects me like 5 days here, 5 days there, then it's like almost I almost under the effect of any of these events, which is not really pleasant. So yeah, it's good to come out and soak in with all this good, better vibe from the nature. It's like I feel still a little bit tensed. It's just like something happens, and then after like why I start to like thinking, why do I feel like this? Why? And then obviously I keep the momentum going. Like maybe I don't know if I can just ignore it, what I feel. But if I deal with it, like thinking about it, then that means I keep that negative feeling, isn't it? So sometimes I'm like, oh, okay, what's the solution? I can just suppress it, or can I? I don't know if anyone can relate to me with that. I will go and try to relax